52. In Mark chapter 9, we see a man approach Jesus in need of a miracle to possibly save his son's life. And Jesus doesn't respond with, "Yes, I'll do it." He asks the man, "Do you believe I can do it?" The man responds with one of the most profound answers we see given to God in Scripture. "Lord, I believe. Help my unbelief." He receives his miracle. Group 52, take a second and think about your life. What are you going through? Is there sickness in your body? Do you need healing for a family member? Freedom for someone? Is your life upside down? Are you in need of a miracle? Whatever the situation is, Jesus only has one question. Do you believe I can do it? Quite often we skip right to the end of praying for the miracle, the answer, the healing. But quite possibly, we might need to start with praying for the unbelief we carry. God bless you, Group 52. Search your heart. Do you believe he can still do it? And have the best week of your life.